Ray. In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into Devices settings and tap on Display and Brightness. Then scroll all the way down, tap on Screen Refresh Rate and click on one of those options to apply the best one for you. In my case, Standard. So when I tap and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my Honor has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!